In this video, I want to show you how to earn 2000 naira every day as a graphic designer. Number one thing is that you can get a physical shop. You can make use of your small room, or you can hire a shop along the road in your area. One way or the other, customers that need the service of a graphic designer will locate you and they will come to you. You render the service for them and they will pay you. The number two thing I would like to show you is that you can apply to work in a well-established organization. If you are unable to rent a shop or you are unable to set up your room for that purpose, you can work in an established organization or company. Just walk up to them, apply as a graphic designer. If they need you, you will be employed. And there are so many companies that will need the service of a graphic designer even in your area that you might not know. Just take a walk out and you will locate one. The third thing I would like to show you is that you can register on freelancing platforms. On these platforms, people with digital skills are allowed to set up their profile in such a way that buyers from around the world will come to select them and buy from them on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and so on and so forth. The fourth way you can earn up to 2000 naira daily is you write content about graphic design. You can keep on creating content about graphic design. With time, you will earn money from that. You can set up your social media account. Then you start creating content about what you discover, about what you've learned over time, about new things you might have seen and that you want other people to know about. Start writing content about it. Let me give you this fifth one, which is blogging. Blogging might cost you some money, but if you keep creating content, writing articles based on graphic design, with time you will start making your money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This will encourage me to do more. And if you have anything you want to share with me, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.